3, 2, 1, start. The allies in the National Assembly, PPP and PMLN, disagreed on Tuesday over a corporate farming plan to irrigate 5 million acres of barren land as the House discussed the issue for the first time since it was conceived last year. A number of bills were also introduced in the assembly, including the one seeking to strip the Superior Court judges of powers to initiate contempt cases and another to allocate seats for overseas Pakistanis in federal and provincial legislatures. Speaker Ayaz Sadiq allowed members to express their views on the issue as comprehensive details of the Green Pakistan initiative were shared in the National Assembly for the first time. The initiative aims to irrigate 4.8 m acres of barren land in all the 4 provinces, and Gilgit-Baltistan, and will be executed through an army-owned company. New para. As PMLN leader defended the proposal, central PPP leaders, raised a number of concerns. In his calling attention notice, he strongly opposed the proposal on the grounds that the country was among the top 10 most water stressed countries. He questioned where the additional water required to irrigate millions of acres of land, as outlined in the plan, would come from. He recalled that Kalabagh Dam could not be built due to fears of water diversion raised by the lower riparian provinces. You are talking about added water usage at the cost of old users, he said, and stressed that this corporate farming by the rich would displace poor peasants. New para. He, another PPP leader, asked how additional water would be sourced for this project. He warned that the government was taking a big risk. It was the caretaker government, not an elected one, which signed the corporate farming agreement, he pointed out. PPP MNA also asked where the additional water would be arranged from in the year when there is no flood. He feared the government was creating new landlords in the name of corporate farming and suggested the land should instead be given to locals for cultivation. While replying to these concerns, he said that 4.8 m acres of land had already been identified in the 4 provinces and GB for the province. The end.